A pictogram is a type of chart that uses pictures or symbols to represent data. Each picture in a pictogram stands for a certain number of items, and these charts are a fun and easy way to show information at a glance. Instead of using bars or numbers, pictograms use simple images to make data visual and engaging. For example, if you're showing how many apples were sold in a week, you might use a small apple picture to represent 10 apples. If 50 apples were sold on Monday, you would draw 5 apple pictures in the column for Monday. Pictograms are helpful because they make numbers feel more concrete, and it's easier to compare quantities just by looking at the pictures. One thing to keep in mind with pictograms is that not every number is going to fit exactly. If you're using a picture to represent 10 apples, and Tuesday's sales were 35 apples, you might use 3 whole apple pictures, and then half an apple picture to show 5 extra apples. The key is to make sure you have a legend or key that explains how much each picture stands for. This makes sure that everyone can read the chart accurately. Pictograms are especially useful when working with younger children, because the pictures make the data more fun and relatable. Whether it's apples, soccer balls, or stars, the pictures bring the numbers to life. While they're great for smaller data sets, pictograms can be tricky with larger numbers because the chart could get cluttered with too many pictures. In these cases, you can use each picture to represent a larger number, like 100 or 1000, to keep the chart simple and easy to read. In summary, pictograms are a creative and visual way to represent data, using pictures instead of numbers or bars. They make it easy to see and compare information quickly, as long as the key explains what each picture stands for.